Now, 5 people face years in prison if found guilty of blockading a D.C. abortion clinic back in 2020. One of those defendants is the anti-abortion activist found with fetal remains in her D.C. home last year. WUSA 9 investigative reporter Nathan Baca is following the trial tonight from the U.S. District Court.
Supporters of Lauren Handy and anti-abortion activist co-defendants were handing out these flyers to prospective jurors before they entered into the court this morning. It says, quote, public trial disallowed and proper defense disabled. Well, the judge told attorneys that she had a problem with this going out to jurors before the trial even began.
This video, provided by the defendant's progressive anti-abortion uprising, is from October 2020. It shows when the group used chains and ropes to block the entrance of Washington's Surgic Clinic on F Street Northwest. They claim the clinic, which offers abortion services, quote, killed babies after they were born. The clinic denied these allegations and was never criminally charged. We talked to one of the defendants about the years he faces in federal prison if found guilty by D.C. jurors.
It's scary. I'm 27. I'm engaged. I would really prefer to get to have a wedding and not be in federal prison for the next 11 years. But ultimately, when I think about it, I'm reminded that regardless of what the government does to me, I am not the victim here. The victims are these infants and unborn children.
PAAU held a rally in front of the courthouse calling for the repeal of the FACE Act being used to prosecute their clinic blockades. The 1994 law stands for Freedom of Access to Clinic Entrances. The group does not deny their actions inside the clinic, but justifies it as being done in defense of the unborn.
When the world tried to shame and belittle me, extreme acts of violence must be met with bold acts of love.
Separately, Lauren Handy and her group shot video after claiming it intercepted fetal remains from a medical waste truck outside that same F Street clinic March of 2022. The medical waste company denied ever handling any fetal remains, and police never divulged the source of the fetuses it took into evidence.
Those 5 still languish in a vault at the medical examiner's office months and months after they were given to pro-lifers.
100 prospective jurors went through this courtroom, but the selection process is slow, with only a handful of jurors actually getting through the interview. 2 of the questions being asked: did they get this flyer, and were they influenced by it? Reporting from the U.S. District Court, Nathan Baca, WUSA 9.